Can you be all that you are becoming with me here?
You're the only family that I have left.
I have to go. I need you to tell me that it's okay.
Everyone in my life that I love leaves at some point. Kind of getting used to it.
Jay, don't do this. I'm begging you. I'm begging you. Take me. Kill me. No! Hey, look at me. Look at me. Dad, don't leave. Not again. Not again. I feel more broken than I've ever felt in my life. Finally at the place I can move on. My father's taken from me.
They gave me a key to the city, Joe. I'm supposed to be their hero. I'm supposed to be the guy that can protect them from something as evil as that. And I failed in front of them.